Hi, this is Josh Garman with TJ Snow Company. Today we're going to talk about how to upgrade the firmware on your Entron 6001 weld control. If you want to check the firmware revision, you can first hit the F key to get to the main menu, use the down arrow to scroll down to highlight About, hit Enter, and the firmware revision will be displayed there. To retrieve the latest version of the firmware, go to entroncontrols.com, then choose Resources, then Software, Firmware, Updates and Instructions, then choose the latest firmware version for the 6001. Once you download the firmware, unzip the file and save the .bin file to the main directory of the USB flash drive. Once you get the latest firmware, you'll want to power down the control and insert the flash drive in the USB slot. Next, you'll want to hold down the plus and minus buttons while you power up the control. Once the bootloader screen loads up, you can release them, and the bootloader menu will be displayed. Next thing you'll want to do is select Refresh Firmware, and then change to the value of the firmware you're updating to using the plus and minus button. Once you select the proper firmware version, you'll hit Enter, and then you'll need to confirm it by selecting Yes. Now it says the firmware's been updated. We'll need to power down the control. To confirm the update, you can hit the F key, scroll down to About, hit Enter, and check that it updated to 8.02 in this version. That's about it for updating the firmware on your Entron 6001 control. For more information, visit us at tjsnow.com.